Hey guys, this is a 1975 Ford F-250 with a big block 7.5 engine, and this is a timing chain. Timing marks are right there. The sprocket on the bottom has a dot that needs to be pointing up, aligning with the sprocket on the top. They gotta line up. So your cylinder number 1, it's gonna be the one on the left side of the engine if you're facing the truck on the front. So in order to make sure you got the timing right, your distributor rotor needs to be pointing at the wire that goes to the spark plug number 1. So just pop it out and you're gonna see your distributor rotor pointing in that direction. That tells you that your cylinder or your timing marks, your TDC, it's right. So one more time, timing marks lining right there, and thank you for watching the video.